writing. And while reading that note, it reminded me of an incident that happened back in school. And that was the teacher was teaching cursive on the board, but one of the students wasn't paying attention. So when the teacher called on that student saying, "Read this in cursive," that student had no idea what to say at all. That student just went blank. Now, I know that there's security cameras in your classroom like this one right there. But the problem is that in my school, they check the security cameras after school. So how about there can be this type of camera where it can take a picture of the student that is not paying attention and also send a notification saying you might want to check on this student. And it'll go straight to the teacher's phone so the teacher can easily check it, and then that student will learn never to not pay attention again and might actually learn something like cursive. And if you haven't guessed, welcome to the Perspective Building Workshop specialized for you, so you can get your unique thought just by monitoring your day-to-day surroundings. So like how I just shared with you, how I got my unique thought just by looking around. By the way, if I could get my unique thought just by reading a note in cursive writing, I'm sure you can too. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to our channel. Bye, and thank you for watching.